Just as last month, we celebrated the opening of the Parkway Medical Center facility with an open house and a ribbon cutting ceremony. And then almost 2 weeks ago, many of you were here for the grand opening event at the Orlando Health Watson Clinic Lakeland Highlands Hospital. So now we're here gathering to celebrate this upcoming opening of the third facility on this campus, the Watson Clinic Surgery Center South. Taken together, these three locations represent a haven for the health of our community. A centralized space where patients and families across generations can enjoy convenient, unfettered access to healthcare services they need, whether they're attending their doctor's appointments at the Parkway Medical Center, undergoing the same-day surgical procedure here at our new Surgery Center South facility, or in need of a longer inpatient stay at the Orlando Health Watson Clinic Lakeland Highlands Hospital. Our success and longevity have resulted from our ability to listen to the healthcare needs of our community and to respond to those needs. In that regard, Watson Clinic Surgery Center South was a no-brainer. The outpatient surgery center has become an increasingly popular option for patients in recent years. Patients like it because it's highly accessible. You go in, have your procedure, and go back home on the same day. They love the convenience and hassle-free admittance and discharge process, and perhaps most appealing of all, it's cost-effective. Watson Clinic Surgery Center South will provide state-of-the-art technologies, a host of minimally invasive outpatient procedures, and a distinguished team of Watson Clinic's finest surgical specialties.
Watson Clinic Surgery Center South is a facility encompassing 6 ORs. We have 6 PACU, which is post-anesthetic care unit holding bays, and 20 pre-op post-surgical holding areas. Later this month, we'll begin to perform some initial surgeries. And then we expect to perform full-time basis surgeries here sometime late August, beginning of September, once we get through our accreditation.
The health of our community is critically important to every single part of it. And so we're grateful to come out and to say, thank you for investing in Lakeland. Thank you for being a part of our solutions to make Lakeland the best place on the planet. That is absolutely something that we believe in. We're thrilled to be here, to be part of this celebration.
All right, 1,